Now, the minor pentatonic scale is another essential scale that you should know as a bass player. It's the foundation of many iconic solos and bass lines, and it's also used a lot on guitar. The minor pentatonic scale is derived from the natural minor scale, and the difference is that it gets rid of the second and sixth intervals, which gives you more notes to basically solo. The scale also has only 5 notes, hence the name pentatonic. Penta means 5. So the formula for the minor pentatonic scale is whole, half, whole, 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 half, whole. And if I were to play this on a single string starting on the 3rd fret of the A string, which is the C note, it sounds like this. Now I can also play this across multiple strings, starting on, again, the 3rd fret of the A string, which is the C note. That's the minor pentatonic scale.